We've concluded wiring our high voltage DC and low voltage DC, and we can now move on to our communication wiring. On a 1 inverter 2 battery system, this includes just landing our CTs above the main panel and connecting our BMS cables to our RJ45 splitter. For installing our CTs, we're going to have the arrow face away from the inverter or towards the utility, and they're going to be located on our L1 and L2 of our main panel. When pulling my CTs through my conduit, I'm going to mark one of the connections so I know which CT it's connected to. For this, I'm just going to mark it with some orange tape. So now I'm just going to use my fish tape.
So you gotta go with the commission because one doesn't have to